What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Y'all, excuse how busted I look. I literally just woke up and decided that I'm going to do this video. I am such a TikTok girly. I've been seeing this hack or trend all over TikTok, and I decided that I'm going to try it. I didn't decide that I was going to record until now. The trend is the 5-shelf bookcase closet. The other day I ordered these 3 5-shelf bookcases from Walmart. Now, most of the hacks that I saw, they were like the same 5-shelf bookcase, but they were from Target. The 5-shelf bookcase from Target, they were sold out, so persons used these when they couldn't get the Target one, and they worked just the same. So that's what I had to do. I bought the 3 bookcases from Walmart. I bought the rod and the lights that I'm going to use from Amazon. The stuff that I'm going to use to fit up the 3 bookshelves into the closet form that I want, they're like my dad's tools. So my dad is like his own handyman or whatever, so he has like hammers, screwdrivers, and all those stuff hanging around the house. So yeah, I really hope that this is going to be smooth and simple, and I really hope that I get all this done today. My dad is going to do the first one for me though. Then I'll watch what he's doing, and then I have an idea of how to go about it. They do come with manuals. I'm going to read that as well, but I'm just a girl. Okay, so first things first, I am going to be doing each like individually. I'm not going to be making all the closets at once. I'm going to do this box first, fit it up, then I gotta get another box, fit it up. So with each box, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all the pieces and place them in assorted orders. So it's easier for me when I'm going to do the fitting. So I'm going to take out all the pieces, put A where A is, B where B is, C where C is, D, etc. So once I do that, I can just put this there, lay them in order. So it's quicker and easier for me. I hope you guys are picking up what I'm putting down. But yeah. Alright, so now after school, if you can't read and write, this is the part where I suggest that you just skip or just don't bother. Joking. I'm joking, y'all. Oh yeah, this is the tea. This is the news. So yeah, all the pieces. Miss it up, miss it up, miss it up, miss it up, miss it up. You know all of. Yeah, I have all those good stuff. The different screws and stuff. And so I'm going to need 2 types of screwdrivers, the flat one and the one with the X looking something, and hammer. Yeah, what's that of them then? I have those. So the hammer, the screwdriver, I don't have the flat top screwdriver, so this goes just have to work, and you're gonna need scissors. So let's skip to the good part. Step 1. Guys, I'm not going to be doing a detailed like run through saying, oh, this is A goes with this and that, because it's literally already gonna come in the box that you purchase your stuff in. So just follow the steps as I am going to follow the steps. Okay, so as y'all know, it's 3 bookcases. So out of the 2 bookcases, it's going to have a closet rod in there along with 1 shelf. That's 2. The other one is going to have nothing but bookshelves in there. So I'm going to put each of the ones with the closet rods on the side, then the one with only bookshelf in the middle. Like I said, this one along with another one is going to have 1 shelf in there, which is going to be at the bottom, because at the top I'm going to add the closet rod in here. So let me show you guys how I'm going to add the 1 bookshelf. So I want the spacing in here to be even, being that it's just 1 bookshelf that I'm going to add in there. So on this side here, to add your bookshelf, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. Being that it is 5 holes that is there, I'm going to add it in the third hole, which is the middle. Third, 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to add my shelf. And like so. Voila! So I'm going to do this style to another one. Then the other style is going to be the excess shelf from this, which is 2 shelves. I'm going to be adding it in the other one. I'm not going to put any closet rods in there, so it's just going to be strictly shelves. So I'm gonna show y'all. The space for the shelf looks a little bit off, y'all. Probably I'm gonna have to like put my own measurement of shelf in there because, alright, let me explain. So for this one, I'm gonna put it, I wanted each to have like exact length, but it's not going to have the same, no, the equal lengths. It's not going to have the same equal lengths because this is the last hole for this one, and look where it's at. So it's uneven. So probably going to put one here. Probably have to nail some stuff here, nail another one here. But